Hello, I'm Farrah and welcome to my channel. Are you feeling stuck in flight or fight? Feel overwhelmed, anxious, or stressed? Do you often wake up in the middle of the night or have a tense and tight jaw? If so, I invite you to try this very easy yet powerful somatic yoga exercise. Let's start by coming into legs up the wall. Taking a seat as close to the wall as comfortable and swinging your legs up to rest upon it. You might have a pillow or a folded blanket underneath your head. And if the back of your legs or low back are feeling tight, you might scoot just a little further away from the wall or allow a deeper bend in the knees. Take all the time you need to get comfortable and allow your legs to rest hip-width apart and for the wall to take the complete weight of your legs. Make any additional adjustments to find ease within your shape. And then I invite you to give yourself a hug, reaching the arms up, bending at the elbows, and grabbing back towards your shoulder blades. Literally giving yourself a gentle squeeze, a nourishing hug. And then from here, allowing the legs to gently begin to sway from side to side. Closing the eyes if that feels comfortable to you, or softening the gaze. And as you continue to give yourself this loving hug, and allow the legs to gently sway from side to side. Allow your breath to begin to slow down and deepen. And then allowing some audible open mouth exhales or even some deep sighs. So when your legs are elevated, blood flows to your main organs and gut, sending a signal to your nervous system that you're safe. In flight or flight mode, blood rushes to our vital organs for protection and critical function, preparing us to either combat or escape the threat. By reversing this flow, we communicate safely to the body through baroreceptors, which reduces sympathetic activity or the stress response. This action helps to turn off the adrenal response, reducing stress hormones while lowering the heart rate and blood pressure. Incorporating the somatic hug creates a sense of containment and safety in the body. Allowing the legs to sway from side to side can have a very calming, soothing effect on your body, your mind, and your nervous system. And finally, adding an audible exhale, a deep sigh, or even a gentle hum can stimulate the vagus nerve, enhancing relaxation. I invite you to practice this posture, this exercise for 5 to 10 minutes, halfway through switching the crossing of your arms to keep balance within your shoulders. And maybe just for the last few breaths within the posture, allow the legs to remain still and the arms to rest down along your side. Taking just a brief moment of pause and reflection to observe how you feel. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this ever so important time for you, and practice this exercise anytime you feel stuck in that flight or fight, feel overwhelmed, anxious, or stressed. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you found this video useful, it can be so helpful for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips to relax your body and mind. You might be interested in my free downloadable guide, 8 Tools and Practices to Ease Anxiety. I'll place a link below. And this downloadable guide will also be available on my website at farrahfayeyoga.com. I always love to hear from you. Please place a comment below how you are feeling after this practice, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. May there be peace above you, peace below you, peace all around you, peace to your mind, body, and spirit.